Good morning. I have this generator here, which the pull cord broke off. Today, we'll be replacing it. Come on. This thing is old and hasn't cranked in a few years, but hopefully after we put the pull cord on, maybe it'll crank right up. I hope so. Let's see. I'm using an 8mm socket. So here's the old pull cord. Thank you. Punch it. So I got the new pull cord right here. Sometimes these have a part that you pull off if this is covered. But this one, you just pull it out. We'll measure how long this is so I get the right length of new cord. Room for the knot. So we'll tie a new knot on. I'll just cut this off when I'm done. So I moved my operation over here to my new work table. And I have the rope. I tied a knot so I can know what size it is. So pull this, make sure it's really tight. You can use pliers to hold on to it. Pull it really super tight, okay? And then when you cut off this end, and then you can burn it to make sure. You're gonna leave it a little bit longer so I can burn this in to make sure it doesn't fray. Okay, so here's the tricky part. After you tie the knot in the rope, turn this 4 times counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It gets really hard to turn, so you know it's about right. Feed the end of the rope that's not tied through the hole from the inside to the outside. You can use paraneedle nose if it helps. And pull it through. To keep the tension here. Well, I tie the handle on. So slide it through. Tie a knot and pull it really tight. Now, remove what you had holding it and gently guide, let it out while you're guiding the string in so it doesn't get bound up. And there you go. Now we can put it back on the generator. All right, now let's see if it cranks. So I'm gonna go over here so you can hear me because the generator's running. I want to run until it runs out of gas. That gas is the same gas that's been in it since, oh, at least 3 years. It hasn't cranked in 3 years. Put that stay bill in it, and now I guess I believe in that stuff because it cranks right up. So there you have it. How to replace a pull cord. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and have a great day. Bye-bye.